So Qualcomm has already announced their next mobile engine Snapdragon 8150 for 2019 flagship smartphones, and while we all are confident enough for the next big chip, Antutu has recorded benchmarks for it. The score is awfully close to the iPhone XS score, which obviously creates a terror among all smartphone processors. The new iPhones sport 7nm A12 Bionic chip, and you know Apple, how finely they work on the smartphone's chip. However, we also have 7nm Kirin 980 in the market right now that scored significant lower figures in the same test. You should not expect Exynos 9820 to surpass these scores, but it would give you sufficient power for all those daily tasks. The Snapdragon 8150 will power a batch of S10 next year, and with this score, I must say that Qualcomm has reached so close to A12 Bionic chip that if this continues for a longer time, we may see Android phones outperforming iPhones in the coming future. Although, according to a previous Geekbench score, the iPhones still rule the world of smartphones by kicking out Snapdragon 8150 in same test. All after that, these benchmarks tell you only 10% of the story, so believe them up to a limit because the rest 90% is all in your hands. According to a report out of South Korea, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will have a zero bezel OLED screen, which means the phone won't have top or bottom bezels. This would help Samsung to gain a lot of attention, as Apple may also unveil iPhones with hole in display tag and zero bezel screen next year. Additionally, we have got these patterns leaked by Let's Go Digital that pretty much show a hole in display tag on different screens with different hole placements. However, as these patterns were filed by Samsung in year 2016, don't consider them as the S10's design. We will see S10 with a huge change, but that zero bezel screen should be limited to S10 Plus only, as that design requires extra money in making and Samsung will not leave the mid-range phone market for that. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.